Welcome back to Abem Quiz. Can you guess all the animals by emoji? Let's see how many you can get right. Some are easy, others might surprise you. Before starting, make sure to subscribe to Abem Quiz for more exciting emoji and logic challenges. Can you solve this emoji puzzle? Zebra. Any ideas for this one? Panda. Guess the animal. Donkey. Which animal is nicknamed the killer whale? Humpback whale, orca, sperm whale. Orca, the mighty predator of the oceans. Guess the animal. Jellyfish. Can you solve this emoji puzzle? Rattlesnake. Guess the animal. Monkey. Which one sleeps the most? Panda, sloth, koala. Koala. Guess this ocean predator. Hammerhead shark. What's your answer? Lion. What's your guess for this animal? Earthworm. Would you rather be able to fly like an eagle or swim like a dolphin? Guess the animal. Monkey. Do you think you can solve this one? Seahorse. Guess the animal with these emojis. Deer. Would you rather have the strength of a gorilla or the speed of a cheetah? Guess the animal. Hamster. Find the odd one out. Wolf. Guess the animal. Bulldog. Would you rather have a pet dragon or a loyal tiger as your best friend? Guess this beautiful one. Butterfly. Can you crack this puzzle? Bear. Recognize this one? Porcupine. Which land animal is the fastest in the world? Antelope, tiger, cheetah. Cheetah. Guess the animal. Starfish. Guess the animal. Polar bear. Guess the animal. It's elephant. Can you crack this puzzle? Tiger. Guess the animal. Sea lion. Can you crack this puzzle? Royal cobra. Guess the animal. Chicken. Guess the animal. Swan. Guess the animal. Squirrel. Guess the animal. Sheepdog. Guess the animal. Rhino. Guess the animal. Caterpillar. Guess the animal. Snail. Guess the animal. Sheep. Guess the animal. Badger. Guess the animal. Kangaroo. Guess the animal. Dolphin. Guess the animal. Guess the animal. Black panther. Guess the animal. Goldfish. Guess the animal. Orangutan. Guess the animal. Goat. Guess the animal. Eagle. Guess the animal. Swordfish. Guess the animal. Peacock. Would you rather be as brave as a lion or as powerful as a tiger? Pick your next challenge, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Abem Quiz for more fun games and emoji challenges.